Ladies and gents, boys and girls, I wanted to show off some Monkey Fab extras here. These were supposed to be in the original video, and I thought they were cool enough to just make a completely separate one. He wanted me to have these to show with this, so everybody remembers this guy. Nice little splitter, and then it comes with a connector, and you can pin it, and then boop, say you got 12 volts key on here. And all the little guys get 12 volt key on here. Really simple design. Now he has, look at this, this is cool. So take a look at that. It has stud power going to only these pins, and then these other ones you can combine or split with whatever you would like. So say you have power all the time on the orange, so say you have ignition on the green. So what you would do is give that guy power all the time, and then the green you could put a key on source into one, and then it would share them all. It would split all of them out on the green path. Then he has really tricky stuff. Take a look at this guy. Whoop, there it is. So this has 3 sections. The orange is the stud, and then the red and the blue are totally separate 4-bank there, and we just leave this up to your imagination for what you would like to connect this to. So say you're splitting 5 volt, key on, 12, and ground. You got them all there. Really awesome, these little splitty boxes with the connectors. And then again, I wanted to show this one quick because you might be thinking about fuses and you might have missed the first one. So this is very similar. It uses a smaller connector on each side. There's 4 fuses. So each one of these fuses goes to each one of these pins. And then these guys down here take J fuses, which I didn't know the name for these for a long time, but it's like an ABS fuse. All right, let's go ahead. There we go. That's a 20 ampere. And then what is this guy? A 40 ampere. So yeah, if you've been yanking ABS fuses so you can do crazy burnouts in newer cars, you know all about these. It's called a J fuse, and it bridges these contacts here. And then these are obviously much higher voltage amperage outputs, a big screw stud. Very nice. And then, super cool, comes with a BA cover. And then you can put labels. I missed this in my product presentation. You got labels to stick over that. So you can properly label yourself out. You know exactly what they're going to. And then I think also, yeah, it has them labeled 1 through 4 and whatnot. But yeah, wanted to show those again, how cool those are. I'm gonna think of ideas how to use these creatively so you guys have use case scenarios. But nice high quality projects, or products, geez. It's early, it's about 5 in the morning. Yeah, so enjoy that. I think these split ones are really cool. Right now it's a little bit early for me to think of scenarios to use this, but yeah, Monkey Fab has them. If you need them, call him up, buy his stuff. Awesome guy, retired Army veteran, super nice. There's a discount code for Sloppy Mechanics. I put it in the description of all of my videos. There's also, I guess I don't say it enough, in the description below on like the last 200 videos I've put up, there is Sloppy sponsors and discount codes with them associated for you to get discounts. So check them out. Every now and then people bought stuff and then they're like, oh man, I didn't know there was a discount code. And I don't do a good job of saying it. So they're there. Check them out. Buy stuff. Get a discount if you were going to get it anyway. Have fun. See you later. Bye.